Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm going to be doing a fun color block design. It's just a design I've had in my head for a while, and I've been trying to think of the colors to kind of go with it, and I'll probably try out more of them because I think this is going to be a pretty cool look for the color block. But I got these colors from Miss Florida Nails. They are Bridgerton colors. So this is, okay, let me just open. Colin Bridgerton, it's a light gray color, and then Edwina Sharma, I'm sorry, I apologize, don't come at me, I have not actually watched the Bridgerton series. It's one that I keep meaning to watch, but I just haven't had time, so if I mispronounce that, I apologize. But this one is a light gray with these really pretty chameleon flakes in it, and it gives kind of like a nestled flower petals kind of feel. And then this one is called the Queen, and it's just a really pretty silver glitter. It's got like tiny and then like larger pieces in it, and I just think it's gonna accent these two colors really well and not be too much, because the color block already has quite a bit going on in it, so I just wanted something pretty simple to go with this. So for the design itself, I'm going to, the color block nail will have all three colors on it, so I think for these three nails I'll put one of them on each. Sure, why not? We'll see how it comes out. So I think I'm gonna do the Queen on middle, no, changing my mind. The Queen on pinky, Colin on middle, and Edwina on pointer. And then I'll probably do Colin on the thumb as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip the straight colors and then come back and do the design. All right, I tell you what, I just came dangerously close to changing this design, well, changing at least this color. I was like, oh, I kind of love these purples in here, and maybe I should pull a purple over here, but I don't know, I think it just won't quite, I feel like it'll feel out of place once all is said and done. So hopefully I'm gonna end up with it happy, and that I'm not gonna regret having not changed it. But I'm gonna keep going with how it is because I know these colors look great together and I have faith. Okay, so for the color block, I am gonna be doing this freehand just because the shapes that I'm doing are a little more difficult to map out with the tape, and because the line between the two colors I'm going to be covering with the glitter, so I don't need it to be absolutely perfect. Now before I do the design, because I'm going to draw it out, I'm going to do a layer of base on this nail because I've got peel base on here and I'm not going to be able to draw over that. Plus I don't want to risk messing it up while I'm doing my color blocking in case I make any mistakes. All right, once that base coat layer is dry, I'm just gonna buff it really gently to remove the shine so that I can draw on that with my pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna have a little semicircle up in this corner, this side, this edge of the nail. Yeah, whatever. Okay, just a little rough kind of layout there. I'm going to be doing the Colin, the light gray on the insides of the semicircle, and then Edwina on the center part. So I'm going to begin with I'm going to pour over for this part of it just because it's a solid. They pour over well. I'm just going to get most of the liquid off of my brush and then come in and try and just get that area lined out. So I'm going to make sure that I get right around the cuticle there, and then I'll come back and just brush right along that line I drew to fill that. Okay, then I can use my water marbling tool here and just scratch along the edge here to make sure that I didn't mess up anywhere or go over the line or anything. And I'll do the same thing down here for this part. All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and activate and file all the nails. Okay, now I have the nails filed. I'm going to do my application of the third color on the color block nail. So it's going to be Queen. For this, I'm gonna use gel base because it's just easier to control where the glitter goes and to clean it up. And you aren't on such a time crunch as far as application goes, so I'm gonna just put a dab right here, and I'm just gonna use a dotting tool to kind of take this and draw along that curve that I created. All right, then I'm just gonna lay into that glitter and see where everything lands. Okay, not too bad. I am going to clean it up a little bit though. I have some that just stuck in places I didn't want it to. And it kind of went a little further over the edge than I wanted, so I'm gonna press down gently to flatten first, and then just kind of go along the edges with the dotting tool or with my water marbling tool to clean up that line, make it look a little bit nicer. Alright, once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure all those little glitters in place. Alright, I'm just going to do a dip of clear over the top of this, and then I'll activate violet, and then we can top coat. Alright, just gonna top coat these. I'm gonna use my gel top coat. All right, and there we go. Here's the finished nail. I think that this color block layout is really cool, and I know it's kind of hard to see it a little bit because the colors are really similar, so I'm definitely gonna have to try it again with colors that are like more different and pop out to really give it a test. But I like it a lot. I do think this may be one of the situations where I change a nail because I'm kind of wishing this had that on it, but we'll see. I don't have a lot of time to do that. I am going on vacation. I'm recording this on Monday, and I'm leaving for vacation tomorrow. So when you watch this, I will be in Alabama. So yeah, I'm gonna be relaxing by the lake. So I hope everybody enjoys this design, and if you see me, yeah, probably gonna pop her off and change it out. All right, yep, I went ahead and changed her. Just a quick pop off and change, took just a couple minutes, but I'm much happier with that. I feel like it just fits better. Sometimes you can have the best intentions with the layout that you pick, but it's really difficult to know what it's going to look like until it's on the nails, and changing something you don't like is okay. And as you notice, I do it often, but I always end up happier in the end, so I guess that is what matters. But anyway, as always, thank you so much for joining me and for sitting through my indecisiveness. I appreciate all of you. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer, and I'm gonna go enjoy Alabama now. So I'll see you next time.